joining us here on Times Now. Kangana Ranaut, you have been among the first people to raise your voice today. Do you think this is a vindication of the stand that you took, the campaign that Times Now has led from the front in demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput?
Yes, yes. So, ma'am, this is a huge moment of victory for all Sushant Singh warriors, because I really want to salute people like you who are going against these big bullies, whether they exist in film mafia, political mafia. You know, there have been Shastri who was killed in conspiracy. There have been Shri Devi. There have been Divya Bharti. There have been so many who nobody knows. They're not, because they're not famous or successful. But now I can assure you, historic verdict and how the collective have been awakened by good leadership, whether we have in the center or we have great minds like you and Arnav sir and so many people who are standing up for a small town boy who was either killed or conspired against him in such a way that, you know, his life was threatened. We don't know. All we wanted this probe. All we wanted was CBI. We are not pointing fingers at anyone, and it is our democratic right to have CBI. But the whole powerful lobby, nobody from Bollywood said anything. Not a single word. Even now they're keeping mum. And I tell you something, this history is being created right now. We are a part of a massive movement, not just in India, but all across the globe. I see people protesting in Australia, in Melbourne. I want to thank each one of SSR warriors, and I want to say that you guys have changed the whole power dynamics in the entire country, and we are looking at new India. Congratulations to you, ma'am.
Congratulations to you, Kangana Ranaut. I want to ask you, Ms. Dr. Subramanian Swamy has alluded that there is a mafia, something that you had said, and there is a conspiracy theory wherein he talks about various powers in Bollywood and even abroad involved. Does this really support the same theory that you've been talking about all along?
Totally. And like I said, there have been so many names in the film industry who have just simply, you know, succumbed to some kind of conspiracy. We don't know what happened to them, because now you see time is changing. They thought they will get away with killing Sushant and just declaring him a mad, rapist, drug addict and depressed, mentally unstable person. But what happened is that he has risen to godly status. People have started to worship him. This is we are at the threshold of a new India, and I am so thrilled. You can tell from my voice. I am so thrilled to be a part of this massive movement led by Sushant Singh warriors. And all we want is a fair investigation.
Kangana Ranaut, do you finally feel this is an India by the people, for the people, of the people? Because the Mumbai police and the Maharashtra government have been totally exposed in the kind of investigation, or rather the botch-up and the cover-up that they were doing?
I think, like I said, today is a moment when they will be, and maybe there has been a Divya Bharti in the past, or there will not be another Sushant Singh Rajput. I can guarantee you that. They will be scared for their own lives now. Enough of bullying, enough of political influences, because of course movie mafia becomes mafia. Either they are, on their own they are not powerful, they are just rich and wealthy. Unless they don't get underworld support or political support, they don't have real power. They were really fatal in the 80s, 90s era when the underworld was ruling Mumbai mafia, movie mafia, and now they have this newfound power that they have gotten from their political influences and powerful people, that they are going out there and just eliminating people and their voices. So this has been exposed, and everybody is a part of this mega movement. And I want to congratulate each one of them.
Kangana Ranaut, I want to ask you, you've gone and fought this battle with conviction. But in the bargain, we have lost a boy from a small town, सुशांत सिंह राजपूत. वो तो कभी वापस नहीं आएंगे. आपको लगता है कि ये मुहिम, अगर हम फ्यूचर के सुशांत को बचा सकें, तो भी ये सक्सेसफुल होगी?
मैम, अगर हम उनको हम लोग, that's what I'm trying to say, that even if the movie mafia people feel 1% of helplessness and isolation and targeting that Sushant felt. Even people like Ria or movie mafia, big influential people, the way they all went for him, and he kept pleading to people that please save me, please. He told his family, he was talking on his Instagram, these movie mafia people will kick me out, please help me. Even if they feel 1% of the pain, all we're trying to do is awaken them to our pain. Even if they feel 1% of that, I am telling you, they will not have the courage to do this to another Sushant or another Kangana. So our whole pursuit is to make them aware and awaken them to our pain, because for some reason in this country, only the rich and powerful seem to have, emotions and self-respect and some kind of image. Otherwise, people like us who come from small families, they seem to, they really take us for granted.
Kangana ji, you're the queen, you are Manikarnika. I want to ask you, it's often said that बाहर रह के आप किसी भी चीज को साफ नहीं कर सकते. कभी आपने सोचा कि आप भी पॉलिटिक्स में आके इसको भी साफ करेंगे?
Ma'am, I've been very fortunate to be able to, my grandfather was a great leader. He was MLA for consecutive 15 years. He got a ticket, and everybody from my family, a ticket is offered to them. After Gangster, I had amazing offers from Congress, but I was never keen on Congress. And after Manikarnika, I was very fortunate to get a ticket from BJP. But to be honest, like you said, that unless you're not in the system, I feel a lot of empathy, and I feel a lot for people in films, the artists who come and who suffer here. I want to be here and work towards betterment of film industry. First and foremost, I don't know where my future will take me, but right now I'm determined to make it a healthy and democratic place.
Kangana ji, you've taken a very bold position against the powerful and the mighty in the film industry itself. Do you think there will be a backlash? Does it worry you?
Oh, totally. They have already started to dismiss me as somebody who wants to join politics. I told you, if I wanted, I could have. And I was offered very good seats, So I have no inclination as of now to join politics. They want to dismiss me as mentally unstable person. I can guarantee you, in my entire life, I've not even had a minor depression. They want to dismiss me as somebody who doesn't get work, that is not even anywhere close. I am the busiest actress and I have the maximum films signed on. So they are doing everything in their capacity to dismiss me and my voice and to eliminate my voice. I can't have any account on Twitter. They get it, dysfunctional. They get it suspended. So, of course, there is a lobby that is working to discredit me and my voice. But look at this. Today, the consciousness, the collective consciousness of people has risen to that level where somebody like Sushant, who they did the same thing to Sushant, and they can now only imagine if they do this to me, what they did to Sushant, people will come on the streets. People will come on the streets and they will break their homes. This message is loud and clear. Now they will not dare do anything to people who, because the entire Indian community has come together to seek justice for Sushant.
Kangana, you've been with your family in Himachal for the last few months, and there was a shootout near your house. You did say that your parents have been extremely worried about your well-being, and they even did a puja for you. Do you ever feel scared? Your family does, but do you ever feel scared? Do you ever get bogged down?
Ma'am, this is a very good time for me. I am very much sorry to say that what Sushant and I felt after 2016, because this movement I started in 2015 and 16, speaking about nepotism, and it just died down because we were not well prepared. Around that time, even Sushant said that he is facing huge bullying and nepotism. Only he was the only one who supported me. Then at that time, they went for us. And his murder was also a consequence of the fact that he openly said that, yes, nepotism is not letting me come up and it is not letting the right talent come up. And that time, the kind of mudslinging and the kind of criminal cases were filed on me, and I was all alone in this. Those were the difficult years of my life. Now, like you said, we have sacrificed a life, but now there is nothing to fear because whatever people are able to see this, they're able to see through this. Now I don't fear so much, but yes, there's been a time where I did not have a direct threat to me like that because my immediate circle, I always had one theory that there were two groups. One is the outside group who sabotaged his career, made him vulnerable, and the immediate circle, they came in and they got the vulnerable of him in that state, and they took advantage of him, and that's what they did to him. But in my case, there were criminal cases filed on me for falling in love with someone, having an affair, and then there were criminal cases on me for taking writer's credit. There were so many. There were 6 cases. At one point, there were 6 criminal cases on me. And then people were suggesting suicide as the same mafia people. So, of course, those were the difficult years of my life. Now, when I see so much support for me, this is not the difficult time. Even I try and make my parents understand this. This is not the difficult time. Even there were fires outside my house, but they did not dare fire on my window or on my wall because they know the consequences. If what they did to Sushant, if this happens to me, I can give in guarantee that people will be on the road. They will be difficult to handle, and movie mafia has understood this thing very clearly.
So, Kangana Ranaut, is this the power of truth? Is this the power and conviction of your own fight, or do you believe in destiny?
I think this is for too long we have been suppressed, and I want to congratulate also the leadership of resolve that we have in the center. Is making these voices rise. Whether it is you or I, or there are millions of us who have come together, is because we know that we have a leadership of resolve. I want to congratulate them because they are the pioneers of this new India that we are celebrating.
Well, Kangana Ranaut, thank you very much for joining me here on Times Now at a time when we are with tears in our eyes celebrating a victory. But we've lost Sushant Singh Rajput. His family feels his absence. People of India feel their absence. But if we can save future Sushants, it will be a battle well fought. We do hope we will get time to speak with you in a longish interview sooner than later. And we'll be in touch for that, Kangana. I hope you will make time for that elusive interview.